I'm going to do a cool experiment today. I got this big light. I wanted to see if I couldn't light it up with my Tesla coil. So I have my Tesla coil, I have the rod down the center, I have that wire connected. It just goes on here on the outside, nothing on the bottom. Wire just goes over, there's nothing else connected to it. Let's turn on the Tesla coil, let's just see if it turns on. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I'm at 17.1 volts right now, and the light's turning on. Not as quite as bright as I thought it might be. This thing, when you turn it on regularly, you have a lot of voltage going to it, and it goes everywhere. So this is probably minimal for what it is. Still cool. You can see the breakout of my Tesla coil right there. We are on. Now let's see if we can't get this thing to amplify a little bit. I have earth ground right here, or the ground that goes into your wall. Let's give it a shot. Let's touch the bottom of this to it, and let's see if we can't get this thing to light up a little brighter. Just pull some wire out of here. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I can see the gas moving in there. That's even cooler. So it does light up brighter with it. So that's the ground wall plug. Just a simple wall plug ground. Let's try it on these two plates here. This is an aluminum plate that usually on a 3D printer. This is just a steel plate with some wheels on it. Ooh, look at that. It lights up good there too. Now I can understand you saying, well, if you use the wall plug ground, that's completing a circuit and it's going through everything. Okay, what about this? There's nothing connected to it. Simple aluminum plate. But it amplifies the energy. So would this bigger plate do any more? Or is it going to be the same? Get some more wire out of here. There you go. Oh, look at the stuff in there. Look at the gas in there. Oh, that's brilliant. That is totally awesome. Let's see if it does it here. Not as much. Let's go back to this one. Must just be the mass. It's not doing it now. Maybe it takes a minute to build up. Totally interesting effect. You can see the gas in here. Nice, beautiful color. Totally interesting. Let's see if we can't get this thing a little closer. Maybe we turn it on the side. Let's try that. Still getting the same thing out of it. It's sparking pretty good. I can feel the heat coming off of this thing. Pretty interesting setup. Does this thing, now that we look at it, is the ground completing the circuit? In one way you could say yes, would be like a normal wall circuit. But the mass of metal no matter what it is, also completes a circuit. It makes you wonder, what's ground? Can we just use a regular earth ground to do this and brighten it? Yes, we can. Can we use steel? Yes, we can. Aluminum? Yes. All of them work out that way. So, it's fairly interesting. Let's see what else we can use. We got a jar of water here. Now, I don't think it's going to do anything, but let's give it a shot, shall we? No reactants. We get a little tiny bit brighter, a little bit of energy flowing through it, but not much. You know, since we're already here, let's just kind of play a little bit and see what it does. Just stick one end here, right into the water. Ooh, that did it. We'll pull it up, make sure that it doesn't sit on the bottom. Is the water grounding it now? Interesting question. I would say that it's having an effect. And we're definitely pulling energy off of that. That's crazy, right? Now let's take it off the plate. Let's see if the test still works. And it does. So it's not the plate, it's the water itself. We can see it's not the glass, but the water itself. The water is grounding this energy. That is very interesting. Enough playing for today. I hope you guys learned something interesting today. Have yourself a great day. Thank you. The old man Bill. The old man Bill. The old man Bill. The old man Bill.
The old man builds is broken in the head. People not seeing reality has put him in the red. Where conscious and spirituality been stricken from the norm and replaced with the ignorance of basic magnetic form. The geometry of God keeps running through his head. That's what makes old man builds broken in the head. The old man builds. The old man builds. Spheres of destiny are spinning in his mind, making him travel back and forth in time, battling the establishment for just a little recognition. Has him forcing the world to understand his premonition. That world will have all the technology in the end, even if it means his life will fail to instead. The old man builds. The old man builds. The old man builds. The old man builds. Fears of destiny are spinning in his mind, making him travel back and forth in time, battling the establishment for just a little recognition. Has him forcing the world to understand his premonition. That world will have all the technology in the end, even if it means his life will fail to extend. The old man builds. The old man builds. The old man builds. The old man builds. Of destiny are spinning in his mind, making him travel back and forth in time, battling the establishment for just a little recognition. Has him forcing the world to understand his premonition. That world will have all the technology in the end, even if it means his life will fail to extend. The old man builds.